been using the same gaming keyboard for the past 6 or 7 years now. It's been so reliable. I absolutely love this keyboard. It's the AltJas Mini. It has Cherry MX switches and it has ultraviolet keycaps, and it even has the Chinese New Year limited edition spacebar. I've literally never had a single issue with this keyboard since I got it, and I've absolutely loved it. And it's quite quiet, obviously with the silent switches, you can barely hear it, and I absolutely love the keyboard. I don't think I'll ever get rid of it, and I definitely will continue using it, but for the first time since getting that keyboard, I've just got a brand new one that I'm really excited to sort of open. This one is, I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's Akko. I really love Japanese and Chinese stuff, and this has such an incredible theme across the keys, and it's supposedly completely wooden, which means to me it might be a louder keyboard than what I'm used to. I'm really excited about this one. It's an 80% keyboard, which is going to be really weird because I've only had a 60% for so many years, but it will be quite nice to actually have the couple of the keys back, like the function keys and stuff, because I haven't had that for such a long time. But I'm really excited to open this. I'm actually, like, the older I'm such a hoarder. It's like a problem, but I'm just hate throwing things away, but I'm gonna have to learn to at one point. Okay. Ooh, it's so clean. It's heavy, you know? It's completely made out of wood. Oh, wow. Damn. Look at the keys. Wow, the keys are so slidey. It even has like a little switch on it. I'm obsessed. This is gonna be awesome. So, it has nothing on the back. It has nothing on the back at all. And literally just has, the only plug in the entire thing is the power plug. There's literally nothing else, nothing on the back. So the name of this keyboard is called Mountain Seclusion. I got the MU02 version, which is essentially the 80% instead of the 60%. And it is stunning. I'm actually not sure that I want to even use it, but the keys all have like Japanese writing or like Chinese writing on it, and I need to get a close up for you guys to see how pretty this actually is. This might be honestly the most attractive keyboard I've ever had. It's a lot louder and heavier than what I currently have, but it's so cute. When I think about like a completed gaming room, something I see in a lot of people's setups is having like a wall that almost has all of their keyboards on, and I really love that idea. So I think it would be so fun to have some keyboards. It's not just going to be for show. I will use this keyboard, but I think that I won't use it for gaming. I will use this more of a general use because it is very loud and it's not optimal for gaming from what I can tell. I'm going to do a bit of a close-up so you can properly see these keys because they are stunning. So this is the AltJas Mini, 7 years, completely works, not a single key doesn't work, and all the lights completely work. The only thing that looks used on it is this, which I don't know how it's smudged, but probably just from use, but it works completely. I really recommend AltJas Minis. I've heard some people slate them, but this is 7 years and it's been incredible. And then this is the new keyboard. All of the arrow keys, the detail on this is stunning. This bamboo here, this spins, and all of the keys have like the Chinese or Japanese like lettering on it, which is it's just so pretty. The escape key, all of this detail down here. This might be my favorite key of all of them. This is so pretty. And then we have these birds here, and then the space bar also might be my favourite. This one here and the spacebar is so pretty. And then as a whole, even on the function keys, there's like design work on it. Now from just feeling it, I'd be interested to try what this is like for gaming. It's definitely a lot louder and you have to press down a little bit harder than this one. Sort of customized for me. So everything that came in the box was the instruction manual, which I'll probably keep. I believe this is a Bluetooth keyboard as well. And then we have the power cable. They gave us a keycap puller, which is nice. I have like 3 or 4 of these now, but it's always nice to have more of them. And switch puller, and then they gave us a couple of free switches. There's only 3 of them, but at least we have a couple of spare just in case any break. They gave us a USB, which I assume is like a Bluetooth. There is no USB port, so I'm not sure where that's supposed to go. And we got a microfiber cloth, which is always nice to have. And then I don't know what this is, if I'm being honest. It's like an orange putty. I genuinely have no clue what this is. If anyone's watching this and they know what this is, let me know, because I genuinely have never had like a putty come with a keyboard. I'm not sure what to make of that, but either way, let's give this a go. I'm actually nervous to pull the keys out, but let's try and pull the key out and just see how easy it is. Okay, they come out super easy. If you are scared, this is a great beginner sort of keyboard to take keys out of, and they pop back in really easy as well. Kind of obsessed with how that sounds. I genuinely think the longer that I've spent with this, I don't even want to use it because I just don't want to ruin it. But I'm definitely going to have this on show. This is the most attractive keyboard that I think I've ever seen. That's my first keyboard in literally like 7 years, which is super exciting. When I move and I create like my own kind of office space or whatever Jazz's basement's gonna be, then it'll be really cool because we can almost have, I can envision like having a wall full of like different style keyboards. This is definitely gonna be one of them. It's a really pretty keyboard if you're into aesthetic keyboards. This one's incredible. I've never really seen anything like this before, so I'm really pleased I got my hands on one. I genuinely don't know if I'll ever use it, and I'll just keep it on show. If I do use it, it's gonna definitely not be for gaming. It'll just be for like basic PC use. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one.